Welcome back to 123 Kimchi. Today we're making Baechu Mandu, napa cabbage dumplings, a dumpling made without a dumpling dough. Instead of a wrapper, we're using the tender napa cabbage leaves, making it lighter, more seasonal, and naturally healthier option. It's especially comforting in autumn and winter with its delicate sweetness from the napa cabbage and also delicious savory filling made with chicken, shrimp, and tofu. I'm starting by separating the cabbage leaves, setting aside the larger outer leaves and core for other dishes. I'm using about 10 to 11 moderately sized ones. Boil a pot of water and first submerge only the thick stems so they soften evenly. After a minute, submerge the rest of the leaves. After another minute, shock them in cold water to stop the cooking and drain in a colander. I laid them flat on a clean kitchen cloth to make sure they're well drained. Trim off the thick stems, leaving only the tender leafy parts for wrapping. If a leaf is too large, simply cut it in half. For the filling, add ground chicken to a bowl. Mash the tofu and combine first with ground chicken. Season with a dash of gukkanjang, Korean-like soy sauce, sesame oil, a bit of minced garlic, and ginger. Then roughly chop the shrimp to add varying texture. Then chop the chives. Now mix everything well. Tofu offers soft texture and nuttiness, while the shrimp brings a bouncy texture with subtle sweetness. Spread a leaf backside up and carefully spoon the filling onto each cabbage leaf. Fold it gently, tucking in the sides to create little parcels. Make sure to roll them tightly and place them in a steamer. We'll steam these dumplings for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt beautifully. While we wait, here's an interesting story. This dish makes an appearance in the beloved historical drama Dae Jang Geum or Jewel in the Palace. In one memorable scene, when Jang Geum loses her flour for the dumpling dough, she substitutes with napa cabbage leaves, transforming a potential disaster into a clever solution, and I'm sure it tasted good too. Meanwhile, the dumplings are ready, and I'm going to transfer them to a nice plate. It's best to serve the dumplings with the sweet and sour dipping sauce with soy sauce and mustard for a balanced touch of spice and acidity. The dumplings are so juicy and it's such an exciting combination with the sauce. For a cozier option, submerge the dumplings in a clear anchovy broth seasoned with gukkanjang, and this is perfect for colder days. It's like a warm hug from a dumpling. As a delightful bonus, let's not waste those leftover stems. Slice the stems, squeeze excess water out, and then season with gukkanjang, sesame oil, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Salt to taste and minced garlic is optional. This is Baechu-namul, a side dish to serve with rice. And there we have it, my winter favorite Baechu Mandu napa cabbage dumpling. Did I tell you it's so juicy and flavorful? Don't forget to try the Baechu-namul with leftover stems. It's a wonderful way to reduce waste and enjoy a delicious side. If you like this recipe, then stay tuned for more seasonal Korean dishes. Detailed step-by-step recipe is on 123kimchi.com. Until next time, take care!